Have you been kept up at night wondering how you can use machine learning to deliver better, faster, more accurate insights from crawl data? Yeah, me too. So we all know that machine learning is great for slides, right? You can pitch all sorts of visions with it. When it comes to actual useful applications, I'm Peter, the CEO of Versionista. We've been crawling and providing insights from the web. I'm looking forward to talking to you at Extract Summit because I'm going to get pretty hands-on and technical. I'm going to show you practical solutions for using machine learning to improve insights from crawl data. When I say practical, I mean topic modeling, entity recognition, and so on. Machine learning helps you kind of escape the brittle world of rules-based crawling and enter a new domain. At least that's the hope, right? So I'll see you in London, I hope.